Today we discuss the design patterns. Design patterns is fundamentally the object-oriented programming, not only with Python. It starts from small talk Java, Python, but Python supports object-oriented programming. And the actual object will be created with I will create an object with a string, and object will be different types of object will be created from the same class. So, and another structural patterns like how classes and objects are composed. Here we'll discuss the singleton pattern, like I showed it is a MySQL connection, or it can be one goalkeeper in a football team, and the factory method. The class will be the same, but how we pass a string and the different method of logistic will be, whether it is sheep or whether it is truck, it will be there. This underscore instance is a class variable. It can only one copy, and it will control the creation of objects. And this is the constructor. Double under new, then we create a object, a singleton, then we create an object B, because once A is created, so it will go to the else and reusing the existing object, and we can see it whether A is B, it will come true, and ID will be the same. Then we are sure that the both objects are nothing but same, controlled by this private variable and by this construct. Actually, the Python constructor have two parts. One is double under new, and then attributes by double under init. But here init is not required. Double under to create the object, and we pass the class variable. And how is the factory method? We check here. This is the class shape. This is the definition, and we create a circle from shape. We create a square from shape, and this is the class shape factory. And this is the static method. We know the static method. We don't have to pass the self or class variable. Here, whenever you use a factory, shape factory, and the shape 1, I call this get shape with circle. Then the circle instance will be created. And shape 2, I created square. Then the square will be created. We can see that here, drawing circle and drawing square. We can see the code. So this is the static method, and it will return circle if the parameter is circle. If it is return square, so it is a flexible type of object creation, depends on how you pass the parameter with the message, whether circle, square, or triangle. So this is very useful for real life programming. Thank you for